To invite a new person to share your board, go to the sharing icon. Choose Invite New Person and enter their email address. You can choose to give them collaborator permission, which lets them add cards, edit card information, or delete cards. To give this permission, make sure that pencil icon is highlighted. If you want to give view only permission, make sure that is not highlighted. Click Send Invite, and the invitation is sent. You can always change the permission later by going back to their name on the sharing icon and just toggling the little pencil. You can also remove a person from the board entirely by choosing Remove People. Click the checkbox for the person you're unsharing with. And to create a public sharing link, choose Share Publicly. Anyone who has this link now will have whatever access to the board that you choose with this radio button.